How to fix set date and time automatically grid out in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open settings. In settings, click on general and then scroll down and click on date and time. Now here you can see set automatically date and time is grayed out, and if you want to fix this, then simply go back and click on screen time and click on change screen time passcode. Now here you can turn off your screen time passcode. Now enter your current passcode. Now go back and click on general and then click on date and time. Now here you can see date and time set automatically is no more grayed out. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.